Hi, how you doing? Welcome back to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, egg fried rice. Beautiful, so easy. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. So let's take a look at what we've got here, really simple. I've got some cooked, cold basmati rice, 3 eggs, 1 onion cut nice and small, some frozen peas or garden peas, a ton of garlic. I want a lot of garlic in this one. Salt, pepper, and some green onions or spring onions. I'm going to start this off with a little bit of oil. Let's get moving. Could not be simpler. So what we've got here is a wok, some oil in there. I'm using sunflower oil. You could use something different. The heat is high. We want to get it nice and hot all the way. I'm going to start off by dropping in my onion. Cut nice and small. Then going to add some garlic, and like I say, I'm using a lot of garlic. There's like a tablespoon of garlic there. Salt and pepper. High heat, keep it moving. I'll see you in 3 minutes. That's like 3 minutes on this high heat. Next up, we're going to drop in our peas. Now I've got some frozen garden peas here. Just rinsed them through with some cold water. And I just want to go for another couple of minutes. Keep it moving all the time now. Very simply, we're going to get in our rice. Like I say, I'm using a basmati rice. Now what I always find important is to use cold rice. Hot or warm rice never works out well. I find cold rice always a lot better. And what we need to do is go for about 5 minutes now, staying on this high heat, and actually fry this rice. If I get a little bit of colour on it, some browning or blackening on the rice, I'm super happy. See you in 5 minutes. So I hope you can hear that. That's our rice frying there. I've seen so many videos or seen people make fried rice. They whiz it around in the pan for about a minute and call it fried rice. You really do have to fry it for like 5 minutes on a high heat. Just going to push this aside now. I'm going to drop in my 3 eggs now. I've not over beaten them, they're lightly beaten. I'm going to drop that in there. And what we're going to do is we're going to cook the egg here to how you like it. I like mine fairly well done. And then we're going to mix it in. See you in a moment. Okay, that's good for me. Let's get it all together now. Just 2 minutes more, stirring all the time. I'll see you then. Okay, off goes the heat. Green onions or spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them. Now some people would put some fresh chili in here, maybe some chopped carrots, a little bit of sesame oil, a little bit of soy sauce. For me, just like this, super basic, super tasty, tons of garlic, nicely fried rice. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do. Give us a thumbs up. Also, leave us a message. We love to hear from you. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.